This is a beautiful day in American Gardens. We pick flowers in the garden. We use leaves. It's a beach.
Charlotte, do you want to use these plants? These are very good beach plants.
Oh yeah. All the gardens are lovely.
We made a fairy wonderland, and it has some flowers, and then we have some vines on top of sticks. This is my fairy garden. If you were a tiny doll, you could walk along the pathway and look at the flowers.
There's leaves, some rocks, and also more leaves in there. We wash our hands.
Wow.
And have a snack.
There you go.